Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering your Beats Fit Pro and waking your laptop's Bluetooth. Hold the Beats button until the light flashes to enter pairing mode. This tells the earbuds to advertise themselves to nearby devices. On Windows or Mac OS, open Bluetooth settings now and make sure Bluetooth is on. This creates the radio link you need. Once done, keep the Beats close to the laptop and turn off other Bluetooth headphones. Otherwise, pairing requests can collide and delay the process. You'll select the Beats Fit Pro from the list of available devices. On Windows, click Add Device Bluetooth. On Mac OS, click the Beats entry under Devices. The system performs a handshake. This exchanges keys and establishes a secure audio profile, so be patient during the connecting phase. Once you hear a confirmation tone or see connected, make sure the earbuds are set as the default output and microphone in sound settings. If you plan to use calls or gaming, choose the correct audio profile for best quality. You should now test playback and microphone to confirm full functionality. Play a clip and run a mic test. If audio drops, latency is high, or the mic doesn't work, disconnect and remove the Beats from the laptop's Bluetooth list, then repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles. Also make sure Bluetooth drivers or Mac OS updates are current, because outdated drivers cause connectivity issues. If problems persist, reset the Beats Fit Pro per the manual and try pairing again. That often fixes stubborn pairing faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.